Great individuals reside in Tennessee, as they not only produce excellent Jack Daniel's whiskey, which was previously the catalyst for many of my adventures, but also manufacture audio components. Emotiva. It is similar to a large American car that you take out on the highway, which is equipped with a 6-liter engine. You fill it up with a bunch of gasoline or diesel and it simply flies. Here you do not have to pay for this diesel and gasoline, you just plug it into the socket, after which you rush to the country of Audioland, the so-called country of unfulfilled desires of audio lovers, where everything is very cheap, plays very cool. That is exactly from the same series. Here they are, our two heroes. Two from the chest, identical in appearance. Prior PT-100 and Amp A-300. What brand is this anyway? Literally recently it was such a black horse on the Russian market because few people knew what it gives. In general, what this brand offers and what is the quality of these products. Today we'll determine why we now have on the test a bundle offering extremely large functionality of 150 dW at 8.0. All of this is divided by components, that is, we have a separate preamp and a separate power amplifier. This is very cool because different enclosures have less interference. This is really already such a high-end class, as hi-fi is usually combined in integrated amplifiers, in which we have a power amplifier, preamp, and here everything is different. Let's find them today. Weak and strong sides, let's determine if they are truly worth your attention. A bit of history. 2003, Dan Lofman founds Emotiva. And why? Yes, due to constantly hi-fi, high-end segment, prices spiraling upwards. Every year's increase. A good product is worth a substantial amount of money. And this man probably looked up like this and thought, well, why? Why can you not make a high-quality product, high-fidelity class for a small amount of money? Perhaps I can accomplish it, and indeed, based on what we have in front of us, he achieved success. Ultimately, the foundation and motivations of her soul are centered around providing individuals who yearn for high-quality audio. Components that will sound cool and cost very, very cheap. I'm looking at these two components and two thoughts are spinning in my head. What is the reason for its low price and why is it considered cool? The combined cost amounts to around 90,000. Less than 40 pre and 50,000 powerful. The design is simply magnificent. Polished aluminum, thick material. The sides are strengthened with metal, good design and technical maneuver. I hope the front part also functions as a radiator. The stove won't heat up, of course. Power unit looks impressive. This is A-300. By the way, Emotiva has A-500 and A-700. A-500 is not different from this device externally. And inside, he's already downloading 5 channels. Certainly we receive A-700 on a total of 7 channels. This is our esteemed comrade. 150 watt 803 watt 4 preamplifier. What do we have here? Passes the inscriptions of the motive. PT-100 model. Everything is beautiful, especially great in the dark time of day. Power button. Regrettably, it is made of plastic. However, the volume control appears to be decent, but once again, it is also made of plastic. I have a preference for metal naturally. I need 2 login switch buttons. I require CD, AUX and a phono preamp with MMMC compatibility. Optical input, coaxial, USB. You can safely connect it to your computer via USB and use it as an external sound card. Bluetooth. A small downside of Bluetooth. Unfortunately, Bluetooth dongle not included. So, we cannot simply take and connect the phone at this moment. Additionally, this item has a price tag of 5,000 rubles. Underachiever, of course. Could you add it but ask for more money? However, if someone doesn't need Bluetooth, they won't pay for it. Well, a stick possesses 2 ends and tuner. Look, tuner, FM tuner. Some madness is unfolding. Does anyone still listen to FM radio? What's their 102.0 Europa Plus? Let's see what we have on the other side. And what do we see here? Entrance by nutrition. Interesting feature. 115 and 230 volts. This means that if you are in the USA or Japan or Russia, you can use this device without any problems. Just plug it in and it automatically detects the voltage. It's quite a rare thing. How many unnecessary worries could have been avoided if all manufacturers, namely Akufas or for example Laxman, did such things? Just imagine how much money and time you have to spend on a step-down transformer or on rewiring power supplies. Two gold-plated RCA inputs look good. Unfortunately, there are no balanced inputs. Minus, on the other hand, we also have a not very big budget, no stamps on the blanks. This is wonderful. Savings for the benefit. Additional feature, customer care, the switch turns off the diodes. You have the power to put them out, ensuring there are no additional blue lanterns present in your room. Let's move on to the preamplifier. Minus. This is not a standard power connector. You can certainly replace it, and the same wire would or Nordost use such a power connector, but still it would be possible to provide a standard power cable in the preamp. Even though I comprehend that this creature consumes a small amount and is content with such an entrance, nonetheless. We can deactivate it using the button, which is also an advantage. Following that, we have a USB input for a Bluetooth dongle, which is not provided. USB for using device as external sound card, as DAC. Optical input, coaxial input, well, relic like FM tuner also present here for added versatility. Extra analog outputs for power amp connection. Also connect separate subwoofer if no high level sub available, no problem. Connect to Emotives. Adjust provides added flexibility for connecting to power amplifier and using a separate subwoofer if needed. And classic 3 inputs for auxiliary, compact disc and phono preamplifier respectively. And we observe that in this case it is doubled, not just MM but also MC. Well done Emotives, taking care of turntable enthusiasts. Well, shall we open it? Xiaomi screwdriver, editor. Casket, please open up. The installation has been clearly done with great quality. Handcrafted, plenty of available space. On the flip side, this is a preamplifier. Take a look at the thick red power cables. Ferrite ring that effectively removes additional high frequency interference. In addition, large capacitors are glued, ensuring greater reliability during the operation process. At the same time, it requires careful installation. Transistors are attached to a high-quality aluminum radiator. We specifically shoot these transistors and capacitors close up for you so that you can see their characteristics, check their quality on the internet. In the preamp there are fuses and circuit breakers. The leg screws are filled with thread locker to prevent unscrewing. Trifle, but nice. According to the preamp, no questions about its internals. Once more, factoring in cost, weight, functionality, surpassing all expectations. What is located beneath the hood of our formidable powerhouse machine that drives our success? It's clear where 11.5 kilos of weight went. Large toroidal transformer, it really inspires confidence. This device is equipped with 8 large and 4 small transistors which contribute to its excellent sound quality. Transistors close up, it can be seen that they are isolated from the radiator. The radiator is not very big, but as I understand it, it copes with cooling the transistors. You know, I conducted a 3-day test on this device, and to my surprise, the fans never turned on, despite the fact that the room is adequately ventilated. I read on online forums that a large number of fans turn on and they are quite noisy. I cannot accurately say how noisy they are, but if... Are you not satisfied with these fans? I think it's very easy to replace them with new ones. Yes, it sounds a bit strange to replace fans in new things, but you are upgrading your computer. 2, or better yet, 3 Noctua fans would be perfect here. They will be as quiet as possible, they are not cheap, but by installing them, you will definitely solve all cooling issues. 4 capacitors, each with the capacitance of 1000 microfarads. In total, we have 4000 microfarads. Decent quantity, taking into account that they are also operating at a voltage of 71 volts. The installation was done accurately, professionally, the elements are well glued, well screwed, nothing is shaking. Fans are indeed equipped with ball bearings and should be noisy, but they are reliable and durable in operation. There are numerous available slots in the power supply, however, this is advantageous as it allows for easy replacement of the well-known fans. The fans can be accessed effortlessly and are secured with only 2 bolts each. Additionally, they are equipped with a standard connector on the board. Metal cover, not the thickest but also not the thinnest one among the available options. By the way, with vibration isolation. Android rating. Having driven this bundle on columns like FR900, our control monitors recently, Polk Audio Clipsish, I can confidently say this system possesses immense power, unrestrained force, and is capable of crushing almost everything in its path. 150 watts in such a budget, it's just super cool. Absolutely all genres at low volume here. Are some people telling me why do I need a powerful amplifier? I won't listen loudly, friends. Understand. If you have 150 watts at 8 ohms under the hood, you don't need to listen loudly, you can play your favorite songs at a very low volume, and this amplifier will control the speakers, control them very well, and you will hear a lot of nuances, a lot of good, beautiful bass at low volume. So, 10 points for sound unconditionally, because in this budget it is generally difficult for me to find something with such characteristics, particularly when we have a separate system. What options are available for a budget of $100,000 to achieve a power output of 150 watts at 8 ohms? No, nothing, just nothing. Denon PMA 1600 is half weak. 60-70,000 more expensive. Marantz 8006 is weaker but more expensive. Ratel is weaker but more expensive. Parasound is slightly more powerful, 3 times pricier, e.g. a combo of preamplifiers and power amps. Really very cool for this money. The design is good. These blue LEDs, they are not annoying, especially on powerful ones. They can be turned off. Polished aluminum, extremely thick, it will fit perfectly into any interior space. He is slightly more theatrical in this design at Emotiva, but in general it is considered to be good. We assign 9 points for design. He certainly deserved it. In terms of functionality, both of these devices merit 9 points. Why not 10? First, Bluetooth dongle not included. Second, no networking functions. All other things you require are available in this place. Additionally, there is even an FM tuner for hardcore old fags. To listen to Mozart on FM radio, please use Motivo PT-100 for this opportunity. Emotiva collects only top components in the USA. Our heroes are made in China, but not just assembled, but precision crafted in China. Indeed, they are well constructed. It is exceedingly tough to find any faults except for the power supply, which is equipped with 2 fans. During testing, these fans never turned on for me, but I have a well-ventilated room and I didn't connect the preamp to the power amplifier. Therefore, we rate reliability as an 8. Ergonomics 8 points. I don't really like that there are only 2 buttons on the front and you have to constantly switch sources. The remote control is somewhat inexpensive and not the most convenient. I frequently mix up the volume and source switching functions. Light. This is certainly not an audiophile remote control like the one that comes with Bristol or Griffin, but these devices are hundreds of times more expensive. And often you have to pay for these remotes, but here it is free. And I love the saying, don't look a gift horse in the mouth. By the overall impressions, 10 points are unconditional and unwavering. Extremely powerful sound, separate components, incredible dynamics, excellent bass response. If you replace the facade of this amplifier with Parasound or Ratel, with components that are an order of magnitude more powerful in terms of price and even sound. In blind testing, I believe it will be extremely challenging to differentiate because the sound, well, it is powerful, it is sweet, it is assertive, absolutely versatile device in its price segment. Everything plays well, any genres, rock, pop, jazz, classical. I would put this bundle at home, I think yes, and I would recommend it to absolutely everyone who wants to get cool sound for little money. A slight subtlety, you can utilize the power independently. In case you possess a receiver with a pre-out for front channels, simply connect this device and your sound, your music will effortlessly ascend to the celestial realm.